in field of computer science. And after completing my degree, I was searching for job opportunity. Then I come to know about QSpiders. So QSpiders has been a really a eye opener for me to get me a job in the IT, my own IT industry. I took manual testing course. So Subham sir was my faculty. He really helped me quite well in the technical field as well as in communication. So there was presentation in QSpiders, though they also helped me a lot in the interview point of view. So thank you QSpiders for everything. Thank you.